What if the machines we feared are actually here to save us? Not from themselves, but from everything we've built that's holding us back. Imagine a world where work isn't something you wake up dreading, but something you choose or ignore entirely. In this world, AI handles the spreadsheets, the emails, the 3 a.m. customer support tickets, and does it all while you sleep. We once thought freedom meant time off, but what if it meant never being forced to trade time for money again? Across the globe, factories hum with tireless precision, no workers, no breaks, just infinite creation powered by intelligent code. Doctors no longer guess, AI diagnostics catch cancers before symptoms ever show, rewriting the rules of life expectancy. And for the first time in history, the artist doesn't starve, their vision amplified by neural networks that bring imagination to life in seconds. AI isn't stealing our jobs, it's deleting the ones we never wanted in the first place. The 9 to 5? Gone. Replaced by a world where creativity, curiosity, and purpose are currency. You wake up, not to an alarm, but to opportunity, crafted by a personal AI assistant that knows you better than you know yourself. It maps your day, filters your digital world, protects your data like a fortress, and empowers your every decision. A teenager in rural India launches an AI-powered business overnight, competing with global giants from a phone and a dream. A grandmother learns 3 languages in a month using real-time AI earbuds, and books a solo trip across Europe for the first time. Every wall is crumbling: language, education, income, geography. AI isn't replacing humans, it's replacing human limits. And it's just beginning. By 2028, personalized AI agents could automate 80% of daily life, leaving only the things that make us feel alive. The average person will have the power of an entire team, marketing, coding, designing, managing, inside their pocket. And yet, the greatest shift won't be what AI does for us. It will be what it frees us to become. We'll write symphonies instead of emails, build companies instead of resumes, explore the stars instead of clocking in. Because when the machines take the weight, we get to fly. So the question was never, will AI replace us? It's, what will you do when it doesn't have to? Welcome to the NeoMachine era, where AI doesn't end humanity, it unlocks it.